Hey guys, welcome to another futures breakdown. Today is March the 17th. We're going to go over the futures for the stock market. That's coming right up. Welcome back to the channel. This is Ryan and Sam Hill. I do the stock market. Sam does affiliate marketing. If this is the first time you've ever been to the channel, this channel is about building wealth with the stock market plus affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing, check out those links below. We're in 2 different businesses with affiliate marketing. Also, you're able to trade with us on the LPP platform. So you can check out that link below if you're interested in trading the stock market. So in the futures breakdown, this is going to be /ES. So this is going to be the S&P 500 mini. It's the futures for the S&P 500, the 500 biggest companies in America. So as we kind of like reached this top zone, not a whole lot changed since the open on Sunday. So we're still like right near this resistance area. We've kind of like broke slightly above it. We're going to kind of have to see what happens tomorrow morning into trading on Monday, to kind of see if we start breaking up out of this channel. There's still a whole lot of resistance in this area. So I'm just going to have to play the trend. If it continues to make higher highs and higher highs, then that's the trend that you want to be playing. So pay attention to those 15-minute charts or candlesticks. Pay attention to the 15, 30-minute candles, 1-hour candles, and just have a consensus of the overall trend of the market. As long as you're playing with the trend, you should do, pretty well with that. So that's going to be the breakdown for /ES. We are still at a strong resistance area, and from here on out, we'll be looking at the higher highs of the stock market. So this is going to be the 3-year chart. As you can see, kind of like my zones there, we're really close to the overall highs of the stock market. So as you can see, the economy is doing very well. We're going to move on to natural gas. So we're currently at 278.7. So we finished the day on Friday a little over 279, and it does appear that we're continuing to downtrend. So have to see if it bounces before market open. So this is just kind of what I see. We're either going to have a bull flag on natural gas, or we're going to have a downtrend. So currently this horizontal line is about 275.9, and this bottom line, we're kind of stay in this channel, is about 274. So it's going to be seeing, how strong natural gas is. Is it going to stay in this bull flag, or are we going to continue down trending lower to like the 270 area? So let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil, we are currently at 58.59. So we've, wow. My futures must not update right, because whenever I looked at it earlier, it was showing quite low. So let's see. Oh, we gapped up. I was looking at it, we were out of the house, and I was thinking it stayed pretty much the same place. So we did gap up a little bit. So we gapped up to about 58.87, which was the high. And now we're kind of trending back down. So it does kind of look like it's in a horizontal trend until it breaks the previous high, which is 58.95. I'm playing oil to go down, so I really don't want to see it break 58.95. But kind of what I'm seeing, and the reason why I'm playing it down, is this breakout looked pretty weak. We broke out, we rounded quite quickly, we come down, and we bounced on this old resistance level to possibly make a new support, but it still looks weak to me. I know oil overall is bullish, but I'm just talking on the short duration. I'm talking about the next few days up to the week. So it just kind of looks weak to me, and I'm kind of like wanting like the 56 to 56.50 area along in here to have this pullback in here. So it's kind of what I'm looking at, and kind of where I want to close is about the 56.50 area. I'm being bearish for oil. Like I said, overall it is bullish. Take a look at the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we're continuing to move higher and higher. But on the overall trend, so this is the SMA that it's bouncing at, or slightly going below it. We're currently at the 55.85 area. So I'm in at like 58.50, so I'm really not worried. I don't think it's going to climb straight up or anything, because we're still just the middle of March. Now it should start become bullish, and around May or June it could start moving up quite rapidly, but we're still kind of early on in the oil season, and I still see it trending up, but at a slower pace right now. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. I say you can become bearish, or not bearish, but become bullish on oil again if we get closer to this $56 area. It's going to be what I'm looking at. So gold, like we've talked about before, it is pretty much in the consolidation phase between 1280 and 1310. It's actually moved down just a little bit. We are in a slide up trend channel, as you can see, 1280, and then we've bounced once at 1290, and then we've kind of bounced again about 1293, 1294 area, and we're currently trending down. So, you know, if you get a buy area on gold about 1290 to 1294, somewhere through there, you know, I would think it would be a good buy for gold continuing to consolidate to the right and move higher. Doesn't have to. Now, if the 1290 breaks and we start heading down, but if you look at the overall trend of gold, we're in a horizontal trend. Most of the time, whenever we get up here to the top, it consolidates for a little while. Doesn't have to, but you can see these two previous tops. We have a consolidation phase up here. We did hit this area, and we did downtrend. But as you can see, it generally picks back up and retests. Currently, we're pretty close to this resistance area. We've come down a little bit to this SMA. And as you can see, whenever it does generally test the SMA, it generally comes back and retests that high again. So the high on gold, or this line that I have, is going to be about the 1350 area. So I would think we would retest that area. Now, if we start breaking down, so this is going to be the SMA here. If we start breaking down and getting close to like 1270 area and that kind of stuff, I would be kind of like waiting more, you know, to make sure, especially if the stock market continues to hit higher highs. I would be really careful with gold. You don't want to hold it down until it gets down to this, you know, under 1200 by any means, especially if you're playing exchange traded funds that are 3 times the commodities. So if you know what I mean there, you know, you have different exchange traded funds, ETFs that are 1 times, 2 times, or 3 times. So if you want to, you know, play the 3 times ETFs, which tracks the commodity, and it trades on a daily average of 300 times the movement of that particular commodity, then you can be a little bit more risky. You can make more profits, but you can also lose more. So if you get your directions right, you know, you can play those 3 times commodities and earn more profits. So silver is going to be pretty much the same. It's kind of staying in that zone. It's downtrending a little bit. We're actually underneath the weekly EMA. We haven't completely hit this top zone. As you can see, it's hitting previously. So, you know, to me, I kind of see us breaking back up sometime in the near future. Maybe whenever the you know, the stock market kind of peaks out and it starts becoming, you know, bearish in the seller's market again, that we can see gold and silver break out of these channels. So that's pretty much going to be the breakdowns. You know, I told you this was going to be a quick video. Everything kind of stayed the same. I actually thought crude oil, we went to the park and played some soccer, tennis, and had a picnic, and I kind of glanced at this, and I actually thought crude oil stayed, I didn't see the gap. It just showed horizontal, so I don't know why on my phone it didn't update this kind of push up. It's not really a push up because it didn't break the previous high, but I actually thought it opened up pretty much where we closed at on Friday. So that's pretty much going to be the futures breakdown. Again, my name's Ryan. I do the stock market. Sam does affiliate marketing. So we're trying to show people how to make money different ways from home. If you want to become an entrepreneur and make money in the stock market plus with affiliate marketing, you know, Sam and I would invite you to subscribe to our channel. That way you'll be notified anytime we release a new video. Along with subscribing to the channel, make sure you hit that bell notification. That way you do get notified anytime we do release a new video. So that's going to be it for today. I'll try to do a video sometime during the week on the midweek recap of how the stocks are moving and kind of, you know, how the market's doing next week. So until then, hope y'all have a blessed week. If you already trade, I hope you're very profitable in the market this week. Stay consistent, and we'll see you next time. Take care.